Welcome to EDU IT tutorials. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for get the latest updates. Today we will see how to create data center in VMware 7. In this scenario, we will create the data center using two ESXi hosts 192.168.12.10 192.168.12.11 and vCenter server 192.168.12.12. First log in the vCenter server 192.168.12.12 with administrator credentials. Now we are in vCenter server main page. Here we can see the complete details about VMs, data stores, networks, host and cluster etc. Now we will create the new data center in vCenter server. First select vCenter domain and right click, then select new data center. Give data center name as per our requirement. Now select the data center and right click, then new cluster. Now give the cluster name as per our requirement. Now right click on cluster name and select add hosts. Now provide the two ESXi hosts details with IP address 192.168.12.10, 192.168.12.11 and credentials. Now we can see the added 2 hosts in the cluster.